the best deep conditioner ever. Welcome back, beauties. FYI, this video is going to be filled with a ton of moisture. I collaborated with NaturAll Club for this video. They sent me their avocado-based deep hair mask that you know is filled with potassium, vitamins E, A, and K, protein, fiber. It also has shea butter, coconut oil, honey, avocado oil, just to name a few. I even got a spray bottle, a really nice shea butter based seal for your hair, a scroll with instructions, and of course a spotlight on the ingredients and a how to use. I'm using the one for damaged hair. When you guys first get your box, it's very important because it's all natural to keep your package in the fridge or the freezer. I had mine in the freezer, and a few hours prior I took it out to defrost. This stuff is so creamy and it smells so good. I'm going in on freshly rinsed hair. Rinse with just water. You guys know me, how I do my hair routine. Freshly rinsed, just water. This stuff, I may repeat myself in this video. I was just amazed. The slip, the consistency, my hair, it just melted in my hair. This deep conditioner, I was really sad that I only got 2 packages. I'm like, she needs to make a large jar because this stuff ain't no joke, y'all. I've seen different hair types, male or female, type 3 or 4, low, high, or normal porosity, short, long, like transition in hair. I've seen it all, and everyone says the same thing. This deep conditioner is heaven sent. Now there's 3 options when you're selecting your deep mask. There's one for dull hair, dry hair, and damaged hair. I picked the one for damaged hair because you know me, I like my snapback. This video was actually over an hour. I kid you not. It was just me just basically playing in my hair, right? You know your hair loves a treatment when it just absorbs everything. There's barely any hair shed. The shine is there. The moisture is there. When's the last time? Yeah, hair looking like a wash and go. And this is just the treatment. When's the last time you saw me apply a treatment to my hair and my hair came out like this? This girl created gold in a package, and of course you know it's a black woman, and she's actually a YouTuber, and I used to watch all her videos. She is so dope. You guys know I'm going in with my finger coil. I do this for every time I deep condition. If you haven't seen my deep condition routine, make sure you guys click that link. So after I finished finger coiling my hair, I went under my steamer. I steamed twice. After that, I let my hair dry up. It was about 2 to 3 hours. And then after that, I rinsed out my hair in lukewarm water. These results, listen, this deep conditioner is a 10. It's a perfect 10. Do you see how easy it is for me to finger coil my hair? The slip, beyond. It's giveaway time. I am super blessed. I appreciate you guys so much and thankful that my first giveaway is going to be with some good quality from NaturAll Club. All the details will be in the description box. Make sure you guys open and read the rules carefully. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for the next video.